Shivaya. Good morning, kids. How are you? Fine. And me? Fine. Thank you. So, all are present today? All are present today? Yes? Okay. And Kish, what happened yesterday? Fever? Okay. Consult a doctor? Take medicine on time and drink plenty of water. Okay? Sit down. Inakshi, what happened? Why you are absent yesterday? Uncle's marriage. Okay, fine. You enjoy? Good. So both Meenakshi and Ankesh, you copy down yesterday's absent work. Okay? Let us move to our class. All of you know that we completed our lesson 4. It's note everything. So now it is time to move to lesson 5. So here we go. Ready, steady, go. Once more, all of you sit straight and say loudly. Ready, steady, go. Okay. Before that, let me ask you one thing. Are you scared of cats? No, it's a pet animal. And what about dogs? No, that's also a pet animal. We are not scared of the dogs. If it is a pet animal, not street dogs. Okay? So, let me ask you one more thing. What about a tiger? A scary tiger? Are you afraid of it? Yes, of course. Me also very much scared of it. So, just imagine when someone told you, Nikita, I heard a tiger in your storeroom. What will happen? Yes, very alarming. You're scared. A tiger? Can't imagine such a thing in our house. Right? Okay, children, don't worry. I'm just joking. Okay? Actually, it is the title of lesson's name. A tiger in the storeroom. Lesson 5. A tiger in the storeroom. Clear? Okay. Okay, now let us move to the lesson. Chapter 5. Chapter name. A tiger in the storeroom. And it's page number 38. Okay. Look, which of these are normally not found in people's homes? Circle their names. You have to circle the names which you cannot find in our homes. So, let's do it. Okay? Mouse? Yes, it is in our home. And what about the cat? Yes, it's a pet animal. Now, next one is lion. Okay, lion is we cannot find in our homes. Correct. So circle it. Now dog. Yes, it's also a pet animal. We can see it in our home. Now next one, ant. Yes, it's also there. And what about the whale? No, you have to circle it. Whale. Now next one, elephant. Of course, you can see it in your festivals and all, but it's also you have to circle it, elephant. Now, mosquito or tiny mosquito is there. We can find it in and around our homes. And next one, lizard. Yes, that also you can see in your homes. Now, what about the crocodile? No. So, you have to circle that. You cannot find crocodile in your home. Clear that? Now, see, look at this. This is drama. Two partition is there, drama and movie. So actually, a tiger in the storeroom is a play. It's a drama. So first of all, let me give you some information. Some general information regarding the difference between drama and movie. Okay. Drama is a live program, whereas movie is a recorded one. And in a drama, no more repetition. It has to be live. So you cannot change in things there. But in a movie, while taking a movie, you can take so many retakes. If it is dialogue is not clear, if dialogue is not that much accepted, everything can be changed. But in a drama, it cannot be changed. It's a live program. And it has to be performed in a stage. Audience will be there. So, you have to take so many rehearsals before to perform a drama. Clear? And theatre. Yes, it is. We can view it in a theatre. Both can be viewed in a theatre, or drama and movie. So, this is just some general remarks about drama and movie. Because it's a play. Play means drama. Clear? You can take theatre like that. Okay? Now, so, have you ever seen a tiger in a house? Read this play. What's play? That's why drama, which I taught you now, the difference between drama and play. So, play to find out what happens when a tiger gets into the storeroom of a house. What will happen when a tiger gets into the storeroom of a house? So, let us find out from this play. Okay? Look at that. Characters. You know, when a movie is there, you can see who is acting in that. That is characters. Person in a novel, play, or in a film is known as characters. Okay? They are characters. So, let us see characters of this play. So, girl. One girl is there. Her name is Rekha. One boy is there. His name is Rohit. And mother as Amma, a woman, neighbor one. Father, Papa, grandmother as Dadi, grandfather Dada, and some neighbors. Okay? This much characters are there in the play. Now, can you know that when a show or something happens in a stage, curtains will be there. The same way, the drama or the play is about to begin. Scene 1. The curtain opens to show a boy dashing across the stage from the left to the right. He is not looking where he is going and bumps into a girl coming from the right. Listen. The curtain opens to show a boy dashing across the stage. Dashing means energetic, stylish boy. Across the stage. What is across the stage? From one side to another. Moving. That boy is moving from one side to another. And he is not looking where he is going and bumps into a girl. What is bumps? Knock or run into someone. Unknowingly rock into someone. That is bumps. Okay, I almost bumped into him. It's an example. I almost bumped into him. Bump means knock or run into someone unknowingly. That is, he is not looking where he is going and bumps into a girl coming from the right. Clear? Okay, now the scene 1. Dialogues. Rekha. So Rekha is on the stage. Oof, Rohit. Why don't you look where you are going? Rohit. Rekha. See the exclamation mark there? Rekha. Rekha, there is something there. Outside in the storeroom. He points to the left. Rekha. Looking afraid. She is also afraid by his tone. What is it? Is it lizard? Oh. Or is it a snake? Rohit. Neither a snake nor a lizard. Neither a snake nor a lizard. It is not a snake and it is not a lizard. So what do you understand from this? Rekha is asking to Rohit because Rohit bumps to Rekha unknowingly. So he asked Rohit, Rohit, why don't you look where you are going? So, what did Rohit replied? Rekha, see, there is something there in the storeroom. He's so excited. And he told that, Rekha, there is something there outside in the storeroom. He points to the left. So, by hearing this, Rekha became scared. She's afraid. What is it? Is it a lizard? Oh, or is it a snake? So what Rohit replied? No, it's not neither a snake nor a lizard. Then Rekha asked him, Rekha, then what is it? Tell me, Rohit. What is it? Rohit, I don't know what it is, but I heard something. Rekha. So Rekha asked immediately, where did you hear this noise? She looked at the left and asked him, where did you hear this noise? Rohit, there in the Rekha, the storeroom? Amma always keeps the door shut. What could have got in there? Who might have got in there? Amma always keep the door shut. She always closes the door. Then who had opened it and what could have get inside it? What could have got in there? So, what Rekha asked him? So, when Rekha asked him if it is not a snake or a lizard, what could be that? But Rohit replied, that also I don't know, but I heard a noise. Then Rekha again asked him, what's that noise? Rohit got confused. And Rekha again, Amma always keeps the door shut. What could have got in there? What will be there inside the storeroom? So students, bell rang. So I will take the continuation of this in the next class. Be prepared for it. Okay? Bye. Thank you. Now you understood the difference between drama and movie? Yes, drama which has to be performed in a stage, live program. Audience will be there. They are watching you. Judges will be there. If it is a competition, judges will be there. How you are performing in the stage, your movements, your actions, everything will be judged. Okay, that's a drama. But movie, you can take so many reshoot, retake, and you can change the dialogue, everything. That is very easy. But it is a tough work. You need location and all. But drama, it is all can do only in a stage. So I will help you in next Amrita Fest. I will help you to do a play in the stage. Okay? So prepare well.